Snapchat has become boring for you, or you simply want to delete your account for any reason. You're not alone. Many users decide to permanently delete Snapchat, but the process can be a bit confusing. That's why I've created this guide to walk you through the steps to remove your account forever. Whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device, this video will help you complete the process quickly and easily. So first, find your Snapchat app, open it, and log into the account you want to delete if you haven't already. Once you're in Snapchat, the next step is to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile, the next step is to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to access the settings page. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and find the Delete Account section. Then tap on it. After doing that, in this section, you will need to enter your Snapchat username and password so the app can verify that you are the one trying to delete the account. Once you enter your login details, you can move on to the next step. After that, you will be redirected to the Delete Account page, where you will find additional information about what exactly happens when you delete your Snapchat account. Before proceeding, it is recommended to read this carefully, as this process is irreversible. Once you re-enter your Snapchat password and press Continue, your account will be deactivated for a period of 30 days. During this time, if you change your mind, you can log in with your username and password and reactivate your account. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.